Potassium supply chain and allied domain knowledge sharing session. Let us see a term called value chain in this session. A value chain is a business model that describes the full range of activity needed to create a product or service. For companies that produce goods, a value chain comprises the steps that involve bringing the product from conception to distribution and everything in between, such as procuring raw material, manufacturing function, and marketing activities. A company conducts a value chain analysis by evaluating the detailed procedure involved in each step of its business. The purpose of value chain analysis is to increase production efficiency so that the company can deliver maximum value for least possible cost. Because of ever increasing competition for unbeatable prices, exceptional products, and customer loyalty, companies must continually examine the value they create in order to retain their competitive advantage. A value chain can help a company to discern areas of its business that are inefficient, then implement strategies that will optimize its procedure for maximum efficiency and profitability. Components of value chain. Porter splits the business activity into two categories, primary and support, whose sample activity are given below. For example, specific activity may vary according to the industry, but primary activity consists of 5 components and all are essential for adding value and creating competitive advantage. Number 1 could be inbound logistic, include functions like receiving, warehousing, and managing inventory. Number 2, operations include procedure for converting raw material into finished product. Number 3, outbound logistic include activities to distribute a final product to the customer. Fourth one could be marketing and sales, include strategies to enhance visibility and target appropriate customer such as advertising, promotion, and pricing. Fifth one could be service, includes program to maintain products and enhance customer experience like customer service, maintenance, repair, refund, and exchange. Support activities is to help the primary activity more efficient. When you increase the efficiency of any of the 4 support activity, it benefits at least one of the 5 primary activities. These support activities are generally denoted as overhead cost on a company's income statement. Procurement concerns how a company obtains raw material. Technological development is used at a firm's research and development stage, like designing and developing manufacturing techniques and automated processes. HR management involves hiring and retaining employees who will fulfill the organization business strategy and help design, market, and sell the product. Infrastructure include company system and composition of its management team, such as planning, accounting, finance, and quality control. Thanks for watching. Bye.